Welcome to Optimum Driving School YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn Rosehill roundabout. From St. Helier Avenue. Follow the sign to Mitcham. A217 East. Turn left first exit. When you're approaching the roundabout, there is bus lane on your left-hand side. The sign says at all the time, so we can't use the bus lane. Indicate well before you move to the left lane and please make sure you don't touch the bus lane. Also make sure it's safe to move into the left-hand lane. Before cross the traffic light, make sure it's green. Now this traffic light apply to me. If solid line in front of the traffic light apply to me.
Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and family members. Drive safe, save life. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.